Now let's see the next example. Anand, Deva, John and Nitin are four friends. Who among them is the heaviest? Now they are asking among these four friends who is the heaviest. Now in order to solve this, they have given two statements. First statement is saying that John is heavier than Anand and Nitin but lighter than Deva. So what they are trying to say is John is heavier than Anand and Nitin. Alright, so assume that whatever names I write below, they are having less weight compared to the ones who are writing above, right? And now if you observe this, Anand and Nitin relation is not given. Anyway, since both of them are lighter compared to John, so you need not consider their weights at all. So now, as of now, the only candidate who could be heaviest is John, as of now. Now let's see this. But it is given that he is lighter than Deva. John is lighter than Deva. Therefore, Deva is here, right? And if from this diagram, if you observe it, the heaviest one is Deva. Got it? Fine. So now, since you are able to answer the question using the data in statement number 1, you might come to a conclusion that data given in statement number 1 is sufficient and so 1 is the answer. But then don't jump to that conclusion as of now, because if you look at the option 3 says that either data given in statement 1 can give you the answer, or the data given in statement 2 can give you the answer. So just to be sure that option 3 is not the answer, you are supposed to check even the statement 2, then only you can go ahead, right? Now look at the statement number 2. Deva is lighter than John and Nitin. So which means compared to John and Nitin, Deva is lighter. Okay? But heavier than Anand, which means Deva is heavier than Anand, right? Now if you observe this, the heaviest one could either be John or Nitin, but we don't know the relation between them, so we cannot come to a conclusion using this one. So information given in 2 will not be able to help us in solving the question. Therefore only the information given in 1 is sufficient in order to answer the question, but not the information given in 2, and so the option is 1. Okay, fine.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So, first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%. But all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities or 50 lakh universities, but whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. and these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.